DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang. You already know what time it is. The done is back. Love. Yeah, man, I see you there with it. There with today. You don't know what time it is now. It's a Eddy G season. Who there with? Yeah, man, the G himself now. Mr. Bomba himself, man. Yeah, man, there with Eddy G Bomba, the one named Dragga Fvkk. Check it out and see what I can deal with. You see me, they're going to get out there on some girl thing, but hopefully, you know. You see me, and I say, yeah, man, I check it out and see what I can deal with. Yeah, man, we're not going to hold up the vibe much longer. Yeah, man. Mr. Bomba, where are you? Let's get it.
I'm a senior product marketer at Google.
Nothing I me glad I want to react, bro. I just do this for a reason, better. I just do this so I avoid this now. Yo, alright, come here.
She leaves a plus type. She said they got it from me, see it the first time. Swing the pussy fast in at the speed I was like big.
Hold on, this start off sudden you're free. When you say about Lisa, wait, hold on there. You see Lisa most hype, come in.
She leaves a plus type. She said they got it from me, see it the first time. Swing the pussy fast in at the speed I was like
okay.
Big party girl move that fuck spice.
Alright, she Lisa plus hype. Yeah, man, just for the first time. Alright, me here walk one, man. Come in, spice.
Come by, brawling tree, so me in a sunlight. Shems here, join the chili to lunch line. You don't care about Ramesh and your love life.
Wait, hold on, no, wait. So she have a child, the what?
Here, join the chili to lunch line. You don't care about Ramesh and your love life. If I rap for the
ground. Join chili to lunch line, mama, come. You see me, come the, hey, come here, bro.
Bad bitch, I get a Dragga Fvkk. Take her up on the bonnet of the wrong chuck. She have me cock a suck. Say that call, I make her hang her up. Bring her up on the black so she have to swallow nut. Pain face like.
Say that call, I'm gonna wait. One like the dog. No stop. Right now I'm going to buy the wait.
Picasso. I wear little lash I go. No stop her so. Live her from the ground, me swing her like a wanamo. She leaves a plus type.
What I say, well, little Ash I go. No stop her so. So all I him I say, nah deal Ashley. Eh? What on there?
I wear little lash I go. No stop her so. Live her from the ground, me swing her like a wanamo. She leaves a plus type. She saw the cocky from me, see it the first time. Swing the pussy fast in at the speed I was like big party girl move that fuck spice.
That got narrow at gunpoint to blows and scare.
With Sheba come by, brawling tree, so me in a sunlight. Shems here, join the chili to lunch line. You don't care about Ramesh and your love life. If I rap for the ground, heat out style. Yeah, me put
it a long time without this. Once I'm not busy, you reach I love like Shenzi.
If you let up and drip, pull up my then girl I'm mad nick. If I don't go to your governor pancakes, you want for the Dragga admit. Toxic, exotic, bad bitch, pack malice and pill, ecstasy and meat, mentally and sick. Do me stop here and slippery, me and stop.
She pop Molly and pills and me. How she swallow everything? What?
For one pick, she leaves a plus type. She said they got it from me, see it the first time. Swing the pussy fast in at the speed I was like big party girl move that fuck spice. With Sheba come by, brawling tree, so me in a sunlight. Shems here, join the chili to lunch line.
Me no care about what?
Me no care about Ramesh and your love life. If I rap for the ground, heat out style.
Alright, Eddy, see why I make the tune. Let's make the one for get a little buzz, for a little virality, for a little controversy. Go on, man. Don't watch Bomba, you know. Bomba full of style, you know. Don't study him, you know. Now graduate, you know. You see me and say, yeah, man, go and do your thing, though, Eddy. It's a Eddy G season. I know enough youth upset, man. But, Eddy, yo, just keep on drop the bad tune them like you've been doing. You see me and say, and keep excelling, bro. You see me, your time now, your vibe, your wave. You see me, keep doing your thing there. Just keep drop bad tune them. This is cool. You see me and say, but I think this is one of your best songs, but this is a vibe. This is the controversy, the virality. You see where your job is. You see me? You're full of style, full of swag, dog. You're a star there. You see me? I say, just do your thing, bro. Keep dropping the bangers, them. The fans, them, out there watching, and people are watching, and everything I go on. You just want to see it. Take it to the left and see how far you can take it. You see me? So just do your best you can. And 7G, we're there, man. We're there more from more Eddy G Bomba song and reactions. You see me, gang? So if you like the one, I definitely go show the artist on the sport, making us a dance anyway. You see me I say? And yeah, drop your if you like it, let me know your favorite part was beat, lyrics, melody, all of that, visuals, all of that style. You see me I say? Drop it in the comment section, let's get a dialogue going. You know we always do, gang. You already know. And drop a request so you can always get your shout out. You already know what time it is. They are vibe, man. Yeah. So what y'all doing on Thursday? Y'all good? Y'all been vibing? Y'all staying prayed up, man? Taking steps towards your goals and dreams every day? Yeah, make sure you know. Make every day count, you know, and keep shooting for the stars. Anything you shoot for, you can achieve it. Trust and believe in yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. Time and God. Yeah, don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Most important, man. Each other. Yeah, man. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.